Today we're making easy, flavorful beef burritos with pre-cooked ingredients, perfect for busy days or meal prep. This is what you'll need: pre-cooked beef mixed with paprika, oregano, cumin, and a bit of beef broth, a veggie mix of cooked tomatoes, onion, beans, and corn, some pre-cooked rice, chopped lettuce, and a queso cheese, and of course, soft flour tortillas. Okay, so let's build these. You'll start with a tortilla, add your rice, your beef mixture, the veggie mix, and then you'll top with chopped lettuce and some shredded cheese. I was going to put onions in my veggie mix, but my husband does not like them, so I will just add them to my own. You'll just fold in the sides and roll it up nicely. Make sure it's nice and tight so it doesn't fall apart. Now you'll just toast the burrito in a dry pan over high heat and turn it so all the sides get golden and crisp. Now I did add some queso cheese on top, and then I stuck it in the microwave for about 40 seconds. And that's it. Beef burritos packed with flavor, texture, and melty cheese. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or even to freeze for later. Give it a try, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy recipes. Thanks for watching, guys.